Hi, I'm Ilona Pitt and this is Meet Britain's Makers. Every week we bring you interviews with top manufacturing and engineering leaders from the industry and the region. And today we're joined by Alec Proctor, the Managing Director of SMB Pressings.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Very well, thanks Ilona. You?
I'm very good, thank you. Thank you very much for coming, Alec. First of all, I would like you to introduce yourself and your company to everyone watching.
Okay. My name's Alec Proctor, I'm the MD at SMB Pressings. We are based in Cannock, in the heart of Midlands manufacturing, I believe.
Yes.
And SMB Pressings in its 25th year. We manufacture across all sectors, engineering, manufacturing, health, leisure and construction, also furniture. We
and
have
entertainment, isn't it?
Entertainment, percussion instruments, yes, variety across the range. We have capabilities for press work up to 75 tonnes. We have laser cutting up to 10 millimetres, press braking up to 3 metres, assembly and fabrication. We handle one-off requirements, bespoke requirements for our customers, and also we can manage volume production. We put great emphasis on customer service as a business, quality, and we make sure that we don't let our customers down. We do what's needed. We go the extra mile. That's the culture of the business that our owner has enhanced and embraced and developed over 25 years, and we are lucky that we're able to continue that.
Yes, I visited you last year at your event and it was very impressive and some really great stuff and your products you make. So my next question would be about your investment. So towards the end of last year you've invested into a new laser cutting and press brake equipment. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Okay. Last year we undertook a significant programme of investment. £350,000 in a new laser cutting machine, which gives us the opportunity to laser cut for all our customers up to 10 millimetres thick material in mild steel, stainless steel, for instance, aluminium, and we can now press brake up to 3 metres, which has given us a lot more capabilities for our customers. It was in line with customer requirements. The quality of the product is fantastic, and it also gives us the opportunity to develop into perhaps slightly different areas than we were before, and that's something we want to look at. So we're lucky that we're able to invest with our owners' ethos of developing new areas of the business, which supports us and also gives us total control of our processes. And we're able to bring a bit more in-house and have more control over that product, which is great from a manufacturing point of view. Perfect.
That kind of ties in with my next question about how important it is for SMB to continue to invest and strengthen the offering to your customers.
We have to be sensible, but again, with the ethos that we have from our owner, if we feel that there's an opportunity for business in certain areas and we can gain efficiency and also work with our customers better, then we will continue to invest. We're looking at powder coating at the moment, a small powder coating plant, again, which just strengthens us to be able to handle end-to-end. Big thing for us is and for our customers especially, is lead time. You know, people want products not in 3 weeks' time, not in 4 weeks' time.
Nowadays, it's next day, isn't it?
It's the way things are.
Going,
we understand that. You know, a customer's demands are more stringent, and we have to be able to react. And by having the processes under our own control and our own premises, we can do what we have to do to make sure our customers' requirements are met and exceeded expectations, which is what we always try and do. So we will always look to continually improve and invest if it gives us that opportunity to, where perhaps other people can't do that on a lead time basis, because it's not always about price, it's about service, it's about the whole thing, and that's what we want to try and achieve for our customers.
Okay, so you mentioned the powder coating plant. What other ideas are there for your next investment? So what's in the pipeline?
Well, we've got a few ideas. It will be very much in line with customer requirements. We work across a range of sectors, as I said earlier on, in terms of health, leisure, furniture, You've mentioned percussion instruments. You know, we have a variety: construction, engineering, manufacturing. And if we feel there's an opportunity there where our customers are asking us, can we do something, and we maybe don't have the capabilities at the moment, and if that is an opportunity for SMB pressings, then that's something we'll look at.
I have a huge topic, obviously Brexit being triggered fairly soon. How do you think this will impact manufacturing industry? Everyone has an opinion, so I'd like to hear yours.
Well, we're already seeing pressure on raw material prices being pushed up at the moment. That's the first sign. I mean, that's something we've had now for a while. And of course, our customers don't want to accept those increases. That's a fact of life. So at the moment, we are working hard with efficiencies and to try and negate the effect of the raw material price increases which are coming on. We don't export directly. We do export through our customers at the moment, and we are seeing probably a slight reduction in terms of requirements for products that would have typically been higher volume export products.
So you see a slight
that is how we see things at the moment. I think, you know, from a full Brexit effect, it's not quite known yet, but we must continue working hard and promote, I think, what we're good at from a Midlands manufacturing point of view. That is what we have to do, and we will, as a part of Midlands manufacturing, we will continue to do that to hopefully reduce the effect of Brexit as much as possible.
Understand. So whatever happens, we need to we need to look at the opportunities and solutions rather than get stuck in the mindset of
definitely
this being
we'll always look at
opportunities
thing, and that's the positive outlook that we have.
So once it happens, how important do you think it will be for the local companies to work together, which we're trying to achieve through Made in the Midlands, for example?
We joined Made in the Midlands over 12 months ago because we share the same ethos. You know, SMB pressings want to be part of UK manufacturing, Midlands manufacturing. We want to keep manufacturing in the UK, and it's essential that Midlands manufacturing works together to ensure a position of strength. But we need to promote better what we're good at as a group. And I think that's why Made in the Midlands and what we are part of, the Midlands manufacturing, is so important. And we want to work with customers and suppliers who have that same ethos. And hopefully, you know, with everything that we're doing, we can continue that work. There's 32,000 Midlands manufacturers. 250 of those are OEMs. 5,000 are what we call active innovative. We believe we're part of that. There's a massive opportunity for the rest of the companies there who are doing extremely good jobs.
Yes, but they're just not that good about
but
marketing.
We need to get those people involved and, you know, gain momentum as a whole. And the more that we can do, and the more that the government helps with, as well as ourselves, to really bring everybody together and hopefully realise that manufacturing is a way forward for the economy and the Midlands economy. It's such an important part, but there's such a lot of opportunities because, you know, we don't talk enough about it, in my opinion. It's something we are very passionate about as a business. I'm very passionate about. Your group's very passionate about, and we have to keep moving forward as a group. Not on our own.
Fully agree with that. That's our ethos, and that's what we want to do. Immobilise all these companies do a great job, but basically they need to step up in terms of working together and marketing themselves in the 21st century.
Definitely.
So, what do you feel about the government increasing the living wage? Maybe a little different question, but what's your view on this?
It's a tough one because we have pressure, as I've said already, on raw material increases. It's an additional pressure for business. Again, it's a cost that we have difficulty passing on to our customers. Our customers don't want to accept that. Everybody's unfortunately going to have to work with this. We also feel that where we have, we're in a price competitive sector, there's no question. You know, we have volume production, press work. It is price sensitive, and these added pressures do affect our ability to be competitive in those areas.
Another layer of
and that
pressure.
is another pressure that I feel that it's difficult to take on top of other increases.
Because it's obviously it's one thing that it's increasing the bottom line, but then people who are in the business on a higher wage.
Well, it brings everybody closer together,
Yes.
of course, and then you have the skills. I was just going to go on to say the higher skilled people, and we've got we've got those people within our business. We always try and develop. And we've got those people in our business, but that gap gets smaller, and then you've got to look at the skilled workers and how you reward those skilled workers. So it's very difficult to ignore that, but it's another pressure for businesses, and in what's an already pressurised environment and a very competitive and price-sensitive environment at the moment. So it's not something that we welcome with open arms.
Yes, I totally understand. You are a growing company, you've got lots to offer. This year on the 25th of May you'll be part of our exhibition at Rico Arena, so your second exhibition with Made in the Midlands. So it's all very exciting. And how would you like to encourage members and visitors to come and see your stand?
Well, I would say to anybody, whether they are contacts of ours, people who know SMB pressings, other members of Made in the Midlands, come along and see SMB pressings on the day. Come to the event. If last year is anything to go by, it will be a fantastic event. People won't be disappointed. But from our point of view, customers and visitors will be able to see the variety of products that we can supply across all sectors. Some very interesting stuff on our stand. We won't disappoint.
Okay.
Hopefully we didn't last year. We created quite a bit of interest.
Yes.
And we'll do the same again. And
just better.
Exactly. Yeah. We really are looking forward to that this year, and ready for the 25th of May. It will be a great event, I'm sure.
Perfect. I make sure I stop by your stand, definitely.
Yeah.
So thank you very much everyone for watching another episode of Meet Britain's Makers. For more episodes, please visit www.madeinthemidlands.tv or our YouTube channel. And I'll see you again very soon. Thank you, Alec.
Thanks, Ilona.
Bye.